Hi, in this tutorial we'll be doing Windows deployment and Windows Server 2008. So what deployment does, it allows you to remotely install different operating systems on a blank computer on a network. So to get started, what we'll do, we'll go into Administrative Tools, go to Server Manager, click Roles, and we add a row. So we click Next. We click on Windows Deployment Services. Next. Next again. Alright, so we can see that this has successfully finished. So we just close this off. Now, to get the operating system, you'd actually have to mount. You'd have to mount the image on a disk, on a virtual disk drive like this, for whichever OS you want to install. So as you can see, mine is already there, and let's continue. So what we do now, we go back into Administrative Tools. You have Windows. Click on Windows Deployment Services. So we have not configured it yet, so you configure the server. I have a DHCP and DNS active, so we shouldn't have any problems. We leave this part the same. Let's press yes. We click these two because we have DHCP operational, and we click respond to all known client computers. Hit finish. Alright, so we have that finished. So the next thing we're gonna do is click settings. Um, we're going to share folders. Click on my computer. This is the Windows 7 boot this here. So you click OK and click read only. Okay. Alright, so we map the drive. So the next thing we're gonna do, we're going to go into network. Is it network or? No. No, it's not network. My bad. We will go into my computer. We will then search for .wim. to get these files. So we'll just right click, copy, close off this. Then we'll go into should not close that off. Go into local disk, sorry. Go into remote install. And you paste the two files here. So we'll just wait for these two files to finish copy. Alright, so that finished. So we'll just minimize this. We'll go to boot images. You right click, add boot images, browse. You will go into my computer. Go into the remote install file and you click on the boot image and open. Next, keep clicking next, and it will add the image. Alright, so that finish, we click finish, and we go here, add an install image. You can rename this if you want, but I'll just leave that the same. And then we just browse for the next image, which is the install. Is it? Yeah, nearly forget. Right, open. Next, we leave these all selected, and we let us add to. Alright, so we have this finish. So that's basically it on the server side. So the next thing you would want to do is go by create a new machine. So I'll just name this Win7 deploy, and it does basically create it like how you would normally create a normal one. So let's go to Rias, create. Right. Then what we do is we click on settings. Right. So we click on settings, we go on network. Not network. But we'll go back there just now. You go on system and you click on network, and we try to get the network to be first. Right. So you put the boot order as the network first. Then you go back to network and you go to internal network and click OK. So when the computer starts up, it will connect to the network so the service can start. And so that's how you do deployment, and thanks for watching.